Hello everyone, let's solve this question together. Now given what 3 to the power of a plus 3 to the power of a plus 3 to the power of a is equal to what? 42, 72, right? We are asked to look for a. Now case 1, case what? Case 1. Since 3 to the power of a is common, we can say let 3 to the power of a equals to any variable, which is equals to what? P. So what this is what? P in place of 3 to the power of a plus p in place of 3 to the power of a plus p in place of 3 to the power of a equals to what? Equals to 70 what? 72, right? P plus p is 2p. 2p plus p is what? 3p. So yeah, this is 3p equals to what? 40 what? 72, right? Let's divide both sides by the coefficient of p, which is 3. Divide here by 3. Divide here by what? 3. Now 3 will go out, so that p is equals to what? 20 what? 24. Because 72 divided by 3 is what? 24, right? Now recall that 3 to the power of a is equals to what? P, as you can see from here. So this now become what? 3 to the power of a is equals to what? 20 what? 4. At this point, since we cannot express 24 in the base of 3, we can take the log of both sides. You can say that log 3 to the power of a is equals to what? Log 24, right? Now let's obey one of the properties of what? Logarithm. This a can also go back to multiply the log. So now this is what? A log what? Log 3 is equals to what? Log 20 what? 4. Now since you're looking for a, let's divide both sides by log 3 base 10. Remember, I've taught you guys that any logarithm without a specific base, that logarithm are always in what? Base 10. So for us to have a, let's divide here by log what? Log 3. Also divide here by what? Log 3. Now this will cancel out this. We see that a is equals to what? Log 24 divided by what? Log 3. Now that means a is equals to what? Now log 24 divided by log 3 is what? Is 2.89 what? 3 at what? 3 decimal what place. This is the value of a. This is what? Case 1. Now, do you know that we have about 2 methods again that we can approach this problem? Okay, this is what? Case 1. We know that case 1, that a is equals to what? Log 24 divided by what? Log 3, which is equals to what? 2.89 what? 3 at what? 3 decimal what? Place. Wow, this is amazing. Now, let's consider case 2. So, we can remove this from here and consider what? Case 2, right? Let's consider what? Our case 2. All right, thank you so much. Now case 2, we have what? 3 to the power of a plus 3 to the power of a plus 3 to the power of a equals to what? 70 what? 2. We can divide through by 3 to the power of a since it's common. We can divide through by what? 3 to the power of a since it's what? Common, right? Now if we this divide by this, we have 1. This divide by this, we have what? 1. This divided by this, what? Plus what? 1 equals to what? 72 divided by 3 to the power of a. 1 plus 1 is what? 2. 2 plus 1 is what? 3 equals to what? 7 over 47 divided by what? 3 to the power of what? A. Wow, this is amazing. Remember, the denominator of this 3 here is 1. By cross multiply, we have that 3 to the power of 1 multiplied by 3 to the power of a is equals to what? 70 what? 2 by cross multiply. Remember one of the properties of indices. If the bases are the same, we can take a single base and add the exponents. So this will become what? 3 to the power of 1 plus what? A equals to what? 70 what? 2. At this point, since we cannot express 42 to base what? 3, we can take log of both sides. So it means that log 3 to the power of 1 plus a is equals to log what? Log 70 what? 2. Now, by obeying the properties of logarithm, this power can also go back to become what? Into 1 plus a log what? Log 3 is equals to what? Log 70 what? 2, right? Wow, this is amazing. So if you open this parenthesis, I want to have this is log what? Log 3 plus what? Log a multiplied by log 3, okay, equals to what? Log 70 what? 2. Let's subtract log 3 from both sides. Log 3 base 10 from both sides. We want to have this is a multiplied by log 3 is equals to log 72 minus log what? Log 3. It means that a multiplied by log 3 is equals to, obeying the properties of logarithm, we can take a single log to that same base, and we divide 42 by what? 3. By obeying the properties of logarithm. It means that log 3 is equals to what? Log 20 what? 4. Because 47 divided by 72 divided by 3 is what? 24. Let's divide both sides by log 3 so that I can have the value of x. Also divide here by log 3. Now this will cancel out this. We see that a is equals to, we know that log 24 divided by log 3 is what? 2.893. So this is what? 2.893 at what? 3 decimal place. Wow, the same answer. This is amazing. This is pocket genius. So this is case 1. Let's see, this is case 2. It's also what? 2. What? That means a is equals to what? 2.893. Now let's consider our case 3. You know why we are using all this beautiful method? To see that the answer must be what? 2.89 in 3 decimal what? Places, right? Now we can also remove this from here quickly. You have got, this is our case 2. Let's consider our what? Our case 3. All right, this is amazing. All right, thank you so much. Now let's consider what? Case 3, right? Case 3. Now from case 3, we are given that this is 3 to the power of a plus 3 to the power of a plus 3 to the power of a equals to what? 70 2. If we can observe from here what is common is 3 to the power of a. We'll factorize this as into. Divide this by this, we have 1. Divide this by this, we have what? 1. Divide this by this, we have what? 1. All this equals to what? 70 2. 1 plus 1 is what? 2. 2 plus 1 is what? 3. So this is 3 to the power of a into 3 is equals to what? 70 2. Let's divide both sides by 3. Divide here by what? 3. 3 go out. So 3 to the power of a is equals to what? 20 what? 4. Taking log of both sides because we are looking for a, right? Taking log of both sides. So this will go back to multiply the log. So become what? A log what? A log 3 is equals to log what? 20 what? 4, right? Now you can divide both sides by what? Log 3. Because we are looking for what? We are looking for a, right? Log 3. This will cancel out this. So see that a is equals to log of 24 divided by what? Log of what? Log of 3. And remember that these log are always in what? They are in base 10, right? So we know from here that log 24 divided by log 3 is 2.893. So it means our a is equals to nothing less than 2.893. And this is the solution to this particular problem. So case 3 is also what? A equals to 2.893 at 3 decimal what? Place. This is the solution to this problem. Can you see how simple and interesting it is? So thank you so much for watching. Please, if you find it interesting, don't hesitate. Do it to like, comment, and share it to your loved ones so others will learn from it. Please, if you're not subscribed, consider to subscribe to this channel so that anytime another exciting video, you'll be notified. So thank you so much, and God bless you.